She had a very tough time. The feeling I have about my father is that he was Brian, was that he was almost feral. You know, he did what he wanted. Brendan certainly did what he wanted.
We were rich in terms of my mother singing. She rocked us to the air of the Red Flag and Brendan to the air of Connolly's Rebel Song. She was always singing. I said once she had a voice that would rouse the dead. I think she has. But it contains a spirit. But I think it's not just a narrow patriotism. I think it's a will and a desire to live.
Brian speaks about the Sacred Heart of Jesus on the wall, sandwiched in between Lenin and Larkin. And Kathleen apparently used to say, Christ between two thieves.